Alright, picked up this Harbor Freight Ultrasonic cleaner today. Used it for maybe a good hour or so, and all of a sudden it just wasn't cleaning that well anymore. The it hummed really loud when I first got it, and then all of a sudden the humming kind of quieted down a little bit. Like, it still turns on, you can still hear that, but it's just not as like cavity vibrating like when I first got it. So I'm gonna take it back, but I figured out what was wrong with this one. I'm gonna show you what's going on with it. So if you have one of these and you get the same thing, like you kind of hear it still humming, but it's still not working well. You don't see the ripples in it. If you take it, flip it upside down, and get a really thin screwdriver, because these are pretty small right here. There's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 on this side, 3 in the front. And then you just wiggle this. Actually, I think it's better if you come around if you're on the back side. All right, rotate it. And what you see, it's going to be kind of hard in here. Let me grab a flashlight so maybe the light's a little better. Anyway, there's the circuit board up there. There's 4 things that's connected. You got this looks like a ground wire, and I'll show you where these all go here in a second, in case you take yours apart. The ground wire is a single pin. The yellow wire is a single pin. I think this is the heating element here. It's a 3-pin 2-wire, but it's got a little clip right here that you do, and then you can pretty much tilt it back. When you put it back together, this right here goes up in the top center right behind the power plug, and then this piece right here goes upper left. Alright, so now we have the ultrasonic transducer here, and this is what I noticed. The reason why it wasn't humming is because this damn thing glued itself. Now be careful, this thing can be hot, which is kind of a little bit warm right now, but the reason you don't hear that hum as much is because there's not as much, there's not a positive contact anymore to the plate here. So if if yours is still in warranty, well, obviously if it's not working, take it back. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to put time into this to fix it, because I can just go get another one. But if I get another one, if it screws up within 30 days, I'm probably just going to go for something else. But if I had this and it worked all the way throughout the warranty period, or 90 days or 30 days or whatever it is, the repair for this would be to scrape away all the excess you can. And what I read is just regular epoxy works. Probably come in here and Scotch-Brite the metal of the pan to give it a little bit rougher surface. Maybe it's a little bit too slick right here and they didn't have good adhesion. But that's the issue with mine. While you're in here, if you've probably seen other videos where people talk about leaks and it leaks down to the circuit board. Here's where you can come in. This is just a bonus here. But here's all the screws here that kind of clamp the ring at the outside. And you can come in and make your own gasket or silicone in between here to separate the stainless steel from the lip here. Because when you pour this thing, you pretty much got to chuck it. Otherwise, it kind of creeps down that crack. But anyway, this is the cheapest ultrasonic cleaner you're going to find for this size, and it's a pretty good size for majority of stuff that I do. But yeah, if yours all of a sudden is humming right out of the box, everything's good, and then it just doesn't work as well as it used to, it's probably this. It's probably this just disconnected. Serial number on this one is 374051909, and I don't know how their date code, if there is a date code on this. 1909, maybe it was the 9th week of 2019 that this was made. But if you're having an issue and you get a similar or a serial number that sounds close to that, maybe it was a big bad batch. I don't know. Hopefully this helped somebody. Thanks for watching.